Have you ever tried Manchurian with soya chunks? If not, do watch this video and learn to make a restaurant style starter, Chilli Soya Manchurian. Let's get started, guys.
Made the choice to love somebody capable of changing, but that never felt like a choice with you. But I was drawn to the way you move. I wish I could love you anyways, I would. Though you and I know that love, it ain't enough. I've been thinking about the times I tried to make it good. Though you and I know you would run when it got tough, and I'll be working with these callous hands and tender heart to tell you I'm done. You showed me your heart wasn't for the breaking. Cold enough to cut, but not to care when you leave me. And now it's my turn, I'm gonna take a chance and learn to live inside this liberation. Oh, I can feel it, it's freedom time. I feel it more with each sunrise. I wish I could love you anyways, 'cause I would. Though you and I know that love, it ain't enough. And I've been thinking about the times I tried to make it good. Though you and I know you would run when it got tough, and I'll be working with these calloused hands and tender heart to tell you I'm done. No, I'm done. Yes, I'm done. Yes, I'm done. Oh, I'm gonna breathe. My heart's gonna bleed in this truth without you. When they put me down, when they put me 6 feet in the ground, I might still be loving you. But I wish I could love you anyways, 'cause I would. And you and I know love, it ain't enough. I've been thinking about the times I tried.
If you like this starter, do share it with your dear ones. We will meet again next week with another amazing dish, guys. Take care.